Good morning, guys. This is PHON-ER Gold. This is vlog 87. We just got a call from CRESCENTA, California, which is by Glendale, and we're on our way to fix an iPhone 5, the old school small phone, tiny one that is now like literally out of the market for good. And we are heading there right now. It's a beautiful day in Los Angeles. It's pretty cool. Nice weather. It's 86. Nice and warm. Put a flip-flops and the shorts, which I'm wearing right now. And we are going there right now, so we will see you guys soon as we drop there and show you how it's done. Peace. See you soon. Cut. Hey guys, we just got here. Fixed the iPhone 5 black screen in CRESCENTA, California. We are here. Hey guys, you just saw we just finished the iPhone 5S screen repair, and we are now driving back to LA. Thank you for watching this PHON-ER Gold, and that will conclude our vlog 87. So we'll see you guys in 88. In the meantime, have a beautiful weekend and a beautiful good vibes and energy, and to keep it up. Thank you for watching this PHON-ER Gold, and I'm out. Peace.